Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about absolute reference and the relative reference. So absolute reference and the relative reference. So first one is absolute and second one is relative. For example, if I write A1, so it is a relative, by default, it is a relative reference. By default, it is a relative reference. And if you want to write symbolically what is absolute reference, you have to write $A, $1. So this is what absolute and the relative reference. So I hope you understand what is absolute and the relative reference. So in this class, we will discuss about a relative reference. And so here I will write S number and I will write some green balls. And here I will write some red balls. So here I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can write names here. Achyut, Balu, Venki. So here you will be having 15 green balls and red balls is 12 and green balls is 10 and 8 red balls and green balls is 23 and red balls is 7. So what is a relative reference is, for example, if you want to add all the green balls and red balls, so what you have to write? So what you have to write? You have to write equal to B2 plus C2. So what you will get? You will get the result. You will get the result. So when you drag like this, you will get the, you will get the, you will get the all the results like Balu and Venki's also. So this is what a relative reference is. This is what a relative reference is. And for example, if you drag like this, see, we are getting a unknown numbers. We are getting a unknown numbers. So relative difference is what? If you drag, if you want to do some addition here, and if you drag like this, you will get the overall count of each and every member, like how many balls that Walu and Walu have, and how many red balls that Walu have. All the details will come. But if you do downwards arrow, then only you get the correct output. If you do rightwards, then you will get the wrong output. So this is what our relative reference is. So by default, it is a relative reference. So by default, it is a relative reference. So in the next video, I will teach you what is absolute reference. Then you can understand the difference between absolute and the relative. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.